Hello, I'm Heather Knutson, Engineering Services Manager at Placer County Water Agency and Project Manager for the Old State Highway project here in Newcastle.
And I'm Carrie Huff, District Engineer at South Placer Municipal Utility District and Project Manager for the Old State Highway project.
This joint project between PCWA and SPMUD will replace aging water and sewer infrastructure that is substandard and at risk of failure. We're upgrading and upsizing 1,800 feet of water main, replacing outdated wharf hydrants with standard fire hydrants, and improving 20 service lines and meters. Funded by PCWA's Renewal and Replacement Program, these upgrades will strengthen water reliability and significantly improve fire protection for the neighborhood.
SPMUD will also be replacing 1,700 feet of sewer main, rerouting sewer from private property to the right-of-way, and replacing lower laterals within the project area. While the work will occur in stages, both agencies are coordinating closely to minimize disruption. We're excited to be partnering in this joint project, providing exceptional value for our shared customers. The sewer improvements are funded through SPMUD's monthly sewer service charge for replacement and rehabilitation of existing infrastructure.
Motorists traveling through the area should expect delays. One-way traffic will be maintained along Old State Highway and Buena Vista Avenue with possible road closures during work hours. So please plan ahead when traveling through the area.
We understand that construction can be disruptive, and we truly appreciate the community's patience as we make these critical improvements.
To stay up to date on project details, please visit pcwa.net/Old State Highway and spmud.ca.gov.